Kelly Clarkson is taking over Ellen's daytime TV slot. Kelly Clarkson is the new Ellen. So Ellen booked it. Stuff happened over COVID. People said she was mean. Nobody was watching the stuff. The ratings were dipping because I guess daytime TV just didn't work over COVID, or everyone figured out the internet. I don't know what happened. But both Kelly Clarkson and Ellen had their ratings fall over that period. I didn't even know Kelly Clarkson had a daytime show, but she had one for a couple of years.
Oh.
The Kelly Clarkson Show. And apparently they had considered her to take over this role even before all the stuff went down. Just like, hey, if Ellen leaves, we need to have a backup plan here.
So Kelly Clarkson's known for being the first American Idol.
Yeah, but then she did others. I mean, she did records, and she was on The Voice as a judge, I think, or one of those shows as well.
Okay.
Maybe she was on American Idol, actually, after the fact.
Maybe,
as a judge. I don't remember. But yeah, she had a few hit records. Come on, Will.
Okay. I was just making sure.
Yeah. Well, she got a show now on NBC, and they're like, well, someone got to take the Ellen spot, so it's going to be her. My thing is, it's hard right now with the format as a whole. The daytime talk show, COVID times, I don't know what it is. Can you turn it around? Can any host turn it around, or is the world moving in a different way?
Yeah, I heard Conan is quitting as well.
Oh, is that right?
He's leaving, yeah.
That's news to me.
Yeah.
It's hard, man. And you saw all these other shows had to go online temporarily. The late night was suffering. It's like somehow COVID accelerated. Maybe they need the live audience, or because they weren't in studio. It's weird. It made everyone reconsider their content habits for some reason, this COVID situation.
But people still like to watch it in the background. Like there's still an audience for it. It's just maybe not as big on TV anymore.
Yeah. Or there has to be some embrace of the online component that they had to figure out a way to interact. Because there was a while where late night would have some viral clips and stuff, but then COVID screwed it up because they had to be doing their interviews remotely. Mm-hmm. And so they would have a celebrity, but it would be remote. And it's there's some kind of interface problem there that it's just not fluid enough. But anyway, good luck to Kelly Clarkson. I mean, Ellen did that thing for like 20 years or whatever, 19 seasons. I guess that's a tough role to follow.